Have you ever wondered where the money in your bank account actually comes from? Most people think banks just store cash, but they are actually capital factories. Through a process called credit creation, commercial banks don't just hold money, they generate it. When you deposit cash, the bank keeps a small reserve and lends out the rest. That loan becomes a new deposit somewhere else, multiplying the original money supply. In fact, nearly 90% of the money circulating in modern economies exists as credit, not printed paper. This multiplier effect bridges the gap between people with savings and businesses with great ideas. It allows companies to build factories, buy new tools, and hire workers, which in turn fuels job growth and higher living standards. Without credit creation, economic activity would stall under strict cash limits. However, this power comes with risks. If banks create too much credit for speculative assets, it can cause inflation or financial bubbles. When balanced correctly, credit creation acts as the central engine driving everyday commerce and long-term prosperity.